Hello, fashion-forward friends. Welcome back to Girl Talk with Ju, your ultimate guide to staying chic and ahead of the trends. Spring 2025 is upon us, and with it comes a fresh wave of styles. But beware, not all trends are created equal. Today, we're uncovering which fashion fads are fading fast, and what you should be wearing instead to keep your wardrobe on point, ready to revamp your style. Let's dive in. 1. Trends falling out of favor. First up, let's bid adieu to some trends that have run their course this season. 1. Long denim skirts. Once a staple, long denim skirts are stepping out of the spotlight. While they offered a bohemian vibe, fashion is shifting towards more tailored silhouettes. 2. Cherry red overload. Cherry red had its heyday, but in 2025, it's taking a back seat. While still popular for accessories, head-to-toe red ensembles are less prevalent. 3. Overly polished hairstyles. The clean girl aesthetic with perfectly slicked back hair is giving way to more relaxed styles. Embracing imperfection is the new chic. 2. What's trending now? Now, let's explore the styles that are making waves this spring. 1. Bohemian daydream. Boho chic is back, with suede taking center stage. Think matching sets, suede blazers paired with skirts or trousers, and a free-spirited vibe. 2. Petal pink. Soft, muted pinks are painting the town this season. This hue adds a touch of romance and freshness to any ensemble. 3. Elevated athleisure. Comfort meets elegance with elevated athleisure. Think tailored joggers, chic hoodies, and luxe fabrics that transition seamlessly from gem to brunch. 4. Coastal cool. Nautical themes are sailing into wardrobes with relaxed, nautical color palettes and seashell accessories leading the charge. 5. Messy buns. The messy bun is making a comeback, celebrating a carefree and spontaneous look that contrasts the previously dominant polished styles. 6. Pastel palette. Pastels are taking over, with hues like pistachio gelato, butter yellow, lavender shortbread, and frozen blue dominating the scene. 7. Sheer fabrics. Sheer fabrics like tulle organza and chiffon are in vogue, offering a soft power aesthetic that's both feminine and bold. 8. Asymmetrical skirts. Asymmetrical skirts are making a statement, adding an edgy twist to traditional silhouettes. 9. Quilted jackets. Quilted jackets are back, blending comfort with style, and are perfect for layering during transitional weather. 10. Ballet pink accessories. Ballet pink accessories are the chic accent this spring, adding a delicate touch to any outfit. 3. How to transition your wardrobe. Transitioning your wardrobe doesn't mean starting from scratch. Here's how you can update your style effortlessly. 1. Swap long denim skirts for suede pieces. Replace those long denim skirts with suede options to embrace the boho chic trend. 2. Incorporate petal pink accents. Add a touch of petal pink through accessories or statement pieces to refresh your look. 3. Elevate your athleisure. Opt for tailored joggers and chic hoodies in luxe fabrics to seamlessly blend comfort with style. 4. Additional trends to embrace in spring 2025. As we continue our exploration of spring 2025 fashion, let's delve into more trends that are making a significant impact this season. 1. Ornate embellishments. Designers are embracing a more is more philosophy, adorning clothing with elaborate embellishments. From brocade jackets to jewel tops and dresses, these ornate details add a touch of glamour and sophistication to any outfit. 2. Checks and gingham patterns. Classic patterns like checks and gingham are making a stylish comeback, whether in bold hues or traditional black and white. These prints offer a timeless yet contemporary appeal. 3. Fluid and relaxed silhouettes. Comfort meets elegance with fluid silhouettes dominating the runways. Think flowing fabrics and relaxed fits that provide both movement and grace. 4. Electric blue accents. Electric blue is electrifying wardrobes this season. Incorporate this vibrant hue through statement pieces or accessories to add a pop of color to your ensemble. 5. Layered styling. Layering continues to be a key trend, allowing for personalized expression. Mix and match different textures, lengths, and styles to create a unique look that transitions seamlessly between seasons. 6. Sporty separates. Sporty separates are blending functionality with fashion. Look for pieces like track pants, paired with blazers or sporty tops combined with tailored skirts for an effortlessly chic appearance. 7. Floral dresses. Florals are perennial favorites, and this spring they're bolder than ever. Embrace dresses with vibrant floral prints to celebrate the season's rejuvenation. 8. High-volume dresses. Volume is taking center stage with dresses that boast exaggerated silhouettes. These statement pieces exude confidence and drama, perfect for those looking to make an entrance. 9. Medieval-inspired elements. Drawing inspiration from medieval times, designers are introducing elements like corsetry, armor-like accessories, and luxurious fabrics. This trend offers a form of escapism and empowerment, blending historical aesthetics with modern sensibilities. 10. Revival of millennial pink. Millennial pink is making a nostalgic return, gracing everything from apparel to accessories. This soft hue adds a touch of whimsy and nostalgia to contemporary fashion. To ensure you're fully equipped to embrace these trends, let's address some common fashion challenges and how to overcome them. 1. Decision fatigue. With so many trends, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Focus on a few that resonate with your personal style to simplify choices and reduce decision fatigue. 2. Sustainable fashion choices. Embrace sustainability by choosing eco-friendly fabrics and supporting brands committed to ethical practices. This mindful approach ensures your style is both chic and conscientious. 3. Body positivity and confidence. Fashion is for everyone. Embrace trends that make you feel confident and celebrate your unique body. Remember, the best accessory is self-assurance. 4. Budget-friendly trend adoption. Updating your wardrobe doesn't have to be expensive. Explore thrift stores, consider clothing swaps, or embark on DIY projects to incorporate new trends affordably. 5. Personalization and authenticity. Make trends your own by adding personal touches, whether it's a vintage accessory or a custom alteration. Infusing your personality ensures your style is authentically you. We've journeyed through the vibrant landscape of spring 2025 fashion trends, from the resurgence of millennial pink to the allure of medieval-inspired designs. Now, I want to hear from you. Which trends are you excited to try, and how do you plan to make them your own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.